Have you ever looked at a cat's whiskers and wondered what they're for? These delicate yet strong hairs are more than just a charming feature. They're not just for show, you know. Those long, stiff hairs are like superpowers, giving cats amazing abilities. They're like extra senses, helping them understand the world in ways we can only imagine. Whiskers are deeply embedded in a cat's body, connected to a network of nerves. Cats use their whiskers for everything, from sensing the slightest changes in their environment to measuring the width of openings. Whiskers help them move around, find food, and even stay safe. They can detect vibrations in the air, alerting them to potential dangers or prey. They're like a secret weapon that all cats have. Each whisker is a finely tuned instrument providing critical information. In the next few sections, we're going to dive deep into the world of cat whiskers and uncover their secrets. We'll explore how they work, why they're so important, and what happens if a cat loses them. Get ready to be amazed by the power of these tiny hairs. You'll learn about the different types of whiskers and their specific functions. You'll never look at your cat the same way again. So stay tuned and prepare to be fascinated by the mysterious world of cat whiskers. Cats are famous for their ability to see in the dark. Their eyes seem to glow with an almost magical light, making them appear like tiny, mystical creatures of the night. But did you know that their whiskers play a big part in that? These long, sensitive hairs are not just for show. They are essential tools for navigating their world. It's true. In low light, whiskers become even more important for cats. They act like a radar system, helping them detect objects and movements around them. Whiskers are super sensitive to vibrations in the air. These tiny movements can tell a cat a lot about its surroundings. When something moves, even a tiny bit, the air around it changes. This change is picked up by the cat's whiskers, which send signals to its brain. Cats can feel these changes with their whiskers. This allows them to move confidently, even in complete darkness. It's like they have a sixth sense that tells them where things are, even in the dark. This ability is crucial for their survival and hunting skills. This special ability helps them hunt at night. They can silently stalk their prey, using their whiskers to guide them. They can track down their prey, even if they can't see it well. Their whiskers provide the extra sensory input needed to make the perfect pounce. So the next time you see a cat at night, remember their whiskers are their secret weapon. These incredible sensory tools make them the stealthy, efficient hunters they are. Imagine being able to feel the world around you without even touching it. It's like having an invisible sense that lets you explore your surroundings in a completely unique way. That's what it's like to be a cat. Cats have this incredible ability thanks to their whiskers. Their whiskers aren't just for sensing movement, they're also pressure sensors. These specialized hairs are highly sensitive and can detect even the slightest changes in their environment. Each whisker is connected to a bunch of nerves at its base. These nerves are so sensitive that they can pick up on the tiniest vibrations and air currents. These nerves send signals to the cat's brain, telling it about the size, shape, and even the texture of objects nearby. This allows the cat to build a detailed mental map of its surroundings. It's like having fingers all over their face. Imagine being able to feel the world just by moving your head. This helps them do all sorts of cool things. Whether they're jumping, climbing, or playing, their whiskers provide crucial information that helps them navigate their environment with ease. They can use their whiskers to judge distances, so they don't bump into things. This is especially useful in the dark or in tight spaces. They can even tell if they can fit through a tight space before they try. Talk about impressive. Cats truly have a remarkable way of interacting with the world around them, making them the agile and graceful creatures we love. Section 4. Robot whiskers? You bet! Cat whiskers are so amazing that even scientists are studying them. They're learning how whiskers work so they can build robots that can sense their surroundings better. Imagine robots that can navigate through dark and cluttered environments, just like cats. These robots could be used for search and rescue missions, exploration, and even helping people in their homes. By studying cat whiskers, scientists are getting closer to creating robots with a sense of touch that's just as good as ours, or maybe even better. It's amazing what we can learn from our feline friends. Section 5. Whisker Wonders, a gift from who? We've learned a lot about cat whiskers, but there's still so much we don't know. How did these amazing sensors evolve? What other secrets do they hold? One thing's for sure. Cat whiskers are a reminder of the incredible diversity and wonder of the natural world. They're a gift that allows cats to thrive in a world full of challenges. So the next time you see a cat, take a moment to appreciate their whiskers. These tiny hairs are a testament to the power of evolution and the amazing abilities of animals. And who knows, maybe one day we'll have whiskers of our own.